transforming to SAP S/4HANA and beyond. Every part of your business right now is creating data. Whether it's customer interactions, production, HR, procurement, finance, it's all creating data. But that data only becomes valuable if you're able to turn data from its raw form into insights, and those insights into action in real time.
Say a water utility that is able to predict the potential changes in weather that would affect the infrastructure capacity underground.
Or respond to a tweet from a customer highlighting an issue. Using APIs and sentiment analysis, they can detect a pattern as to the location of the water break in the pipe and are able to intelligently take action in real time, thus keeping customers happy. Global leaders in telecom, finance, manufacturing, retail, energy, and more use SAP to begin down the path of becoming intelligent enterprises. But if you're using the legacy ERP suite, you probably already know support is being withdrawn in 2027, by which time you're going to have to migrate to S/4HANA. Migrating to S/4HANA promises so much. In SAP's own words, with S/4HANA, your business can evolve into an intelligent enterprise. Sounds fantastic, doesn't it? But SAP with TIBCO can do it better. In fact, by partnering with TIBCO, you can more easily identify, discover, document, improve, optimize, and migrate the majority of your existing processes and corresponding data from your current system to this new SAP environment. And in breaking your current systems down, there is the opportunity to build better, to use advanced technologies, APIs, events, microservices, and AI to interpret those different types of data to deliver real intelligence and allow you to make better decisions. To make that shift as smooth as possible, though, you need to choose the right partner, one with a track record with SAP customers realizing these kinds of business benefits. You need to choose TIBCO. That's exactly what so many others have done, including Hemlock Semiconductor, Campari Group, Grupo Xcaret, and Istrabenz Pliny. And they found S/4HANA plus TIBCO's modern connected intelligence cloud can serve as the future innovation foundation too. 2027 is coming, and you need to decide how you're going to meet it. We know it can be better for you, made possible by TIBCO. Find out more at tibco.com/SAP-transformation.